Well, here's Sahara being a good kitty. Nothing like a catnip high to make one feel relaxed. Oops, there she goes again. She just can't sit still. Oh, she's off to the food. She'll have pint. Hi, have pint. We have 5 kittens out here right now. Goliath is on the couch next to me, sound asleep. Half Pint is chewing on my toes. Hello, Half Pint. This is Geronimo Fierro. And over there we have Goby Bear Austin. I did say 5, didn't I? Yeah. Gecko's asleep over by the sliding glass doors. So that leaves Halo and Hiawatha. They're still in the nursery sleeping with Sirocco. They could come out if they wanted to because I left the door open. They just haven't woken up yet. And so far, Sahara's been pretty darn good. I'm not taking any bets. Here she goes. She's after one of the babies. Yeah. It's Half Pint. It's Half Pint. Yeah, Half Pint. Yeah, there she goes. Let's follow Half Pint.